How to make homemade lemon rice salad with chicken. Hello everyone, welcome to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, we're excited to share a refreshing and affordable recipe perfect for summer, lemon rice salad with chicken. This dish is easy to make, packed with flavor, and is sure to become one of your go-to meals for warm weather. Let's start with the ingredients you'll need for our lemon rice salad with chicken. 1 cup of cooked rice, use jasmine or basmati for best results. 2 cups of cooked, shredded chicken, rotisserie chicken works great. Half cup of cherry tomatoes, halved. 1/4 cup of diced cucumber. 1/4 cup of diced red bell pepper. 1/4 cup of diced red onion. 1/4 cup of crumbled feta cheese. 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped parsley. 1/4 cup of toasted almonds, optional for crunch. Juice of 1 lemon. 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Salt and black pepper to taste. Preparation. First, cook the rice according to package instructions and let it cool. This will be the base of our salad. While the rice is cooling, let's prepare the dressing. In a small bowl, combine the juice of 1 lemon, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and a pinch of salt and black pepper. Whisk everything together until well combined. Next, let's assemble the salad. In a large mixing bowl, add the cooled cooked rice, shredded chicken, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, red bell pepper, red onion, and crumbled feta cheese. Now pour the lemon dressing over the salad. Toss everything together until the salad is well coated with the dressing. Add the fresh chopped parsley and toasted almonds, if using, for added flavor and texture. Mix everything together once more. Your lemon rice salad with chicken is now ready to serve. This dish can be enjoyed immediately, but we recommend chilling it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. Serve the salad on a platter or in individual bowls, and garnish with a few extra parsley leaves for a beautiful presentation. If you're looking to switch things up, you can add other ingredients such as diced avocado, olives, or even some grilled vegetables. For those who prefer a vegetarian option, simply omit the chicken and add more veggies or protein sources like chickpeas. And there you have it, an easy and affordable lemon rice salad with chicken that's perfect for summer. We hope you give this recipe a try and let us know how it turns out in the comments below. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. Here are some of the key benefits of lemon rice salad with chicken that's perfect for summer. Nutrient-rich, this salad combines protein-rich chicken with a variety of vegetables, making it a nutrient-dense dish. It provides a balanced mix of macronutrients like proteins, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Refreshing flavor, the lemon adds a bright, tangy flavor to the rice and chicken, making the dish refreshing and perfect for summer. It provides a burst of flavor that is both invigorating and appetizing. Versatile, lemon rice salad with chicken can be easily customized with different vegetables, herbs, and seasonings to suit your taste preferences. You can also swap out the chicken for another protein source like tofu for a vegetarian option. Light and filling, this dish is light enough to enjoy on a warm day, but filling enough to satisfy your hunger. The rice and chicken provide a good source of energy, while the vegetables add fiber and keep you feeling full. Easy to prepare, the salad is quick and easy to prepare, making it an excellent choice for a busy day or when you want a hassle-free meal. If you enjoyed this recipe and want to see more like it, be sure to subscribe to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We have plenty more recipes and cooking tips coming your way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!